Disclaimer: all videos and tutorials are for informational and educational purposes only. We believe that ethical hacking, information security and cybersecurity should be familiar subjects to anyone using digital information and computers. We believe that it is impossible to defend yourself from hackers without knowing how hacking is done.
Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will learn about Nmap. Nmap is a powerful tool used in the red team, pen testing, etc. Nmap stands for Network Mapper. In order to find a vulnerability in our target, we must gather information about our target. To keep it simple, let me explain to you with an example. Imagine, you are a thief and you are trying to steal a particular thing from someone's house. How will you do it? You will first gather information about your target when they are leaving the house and other details, right? Similarly, we can gather information about our targets by scanning them with their host name or IP address. Using Nmap we can able to find open ports, details about the versions, details about the operating systems, etc. Using all these things we can find vulnerabilities about our target and exploit them to gain access. Today we will see all these things one by one. Being that said, let's get started. We will use Hack the Box active machine as our target. If you don't know a particular thing, you will ask someone for help, right? In the same way, we use the nmap help command to help how to use the nmap command. Command 1. Nmap IPV, here V means verbose, it gives us detail about the scanning process. Command 2. Nmap IPV SV, here SV is the service version. It will show us the service and version of our target port. Command 3. Nmap IPV SVO, here O denotes the operating system, it shows us which operating system is running on the target port. Command 4. Nmap IPV PN, here PN means no ping, it will not ping the server, because usually when we ping a server, ICMP packets are being sent. But when we use PN we don't send ICMP packets. Command 5. Nmap IPv P22,80, here P stands for ports, we specify which ports to be scanned. 22 and 80 are the ports we used here for our example. Command 6. Nmap IPv-A, here A option will try to determine services, versions, OS, and with the verbose output. Command 7. Nmap T0 IPv SVOPN, here T represents timings. 0 is lower and 5 is high, 0 will scan for a detailed version and it takes a lot of time. T5 will take less time with fewer results. We use T4 as our default in case of timings. Command 8. Nmap T4 IPv SVOPN P22,80 SS, here SS represents stealth scan, mostly we use this type of scan to avoid detection. Command 9. Nmap T4 IPv SVOPN P22,80 SSOA Minmap scan, here OA is used to save our scanned records in various formats like XML, GNMap, Nmap. Command 10. Nmap T4IL target.txt vsvopnf, here IL is the target file we specify to scan, and F represents fast scan, it will scan top 100 ports. Still, we can do a lot with Nmap, but what I have told you now is the most common thing. I hope you found this tutorial informative. See you at another tutorial. Until then, it's bye from Insan Hacker.